Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Hello guys! Kumusta po kayong lahat? How's your day? Are you feeling happy? Or are you feeling sad? Or baka naman, are you feeling hungry? Don't worry guys, tara let's samahan nyo ako sa aking journey of cooking dahil for today, I will share to you my pasta recipe and this is all about carbonara. So, I know guys, this carbonara is loved by many, especially the kids. That's why I will share to you my version of my seafood carbonara. Okay? So, hindi ko napapatagalin. Let's start the preparation and cook this yummy pasta. Okay? So, these are the ingredients of my seafood pasta guys that I prepare. So, as mentioned, we have own version and lahat masarap. And these ingredients are also shown on the description box below for the complete ingredients. Okay? Ayan guys. So, since seafood tayo, may prepare akong peeled na shrimp. And then, meron din tayong tatlong crabs. May natira pa kasi sa ref. And of course, meron tayong tuna and can. Okay? Okay guys. So, boil natin ang ating pasta. Okay, so let's cook our pasta for about 5 minutes. Basta wag lang overcook. Mas okay yung medyo katamtaman lang, okay? Let's put butter. So lutuin muna natin ang ating shrimp and crab sa butter. Kasi pang garnish natin, okay? This is easy to prepare guys and siguro kahit mga kids kayang-kaya nilang lutuin to. And also this is best for beginners, okay? Let's put the shrimp. Okay guys, once the shrimp is turned to parang orange, okay na siya guys. Don't overcook it. And then let's put the crabs. May natira pa palang hipon. Set aside natin guys. So, okay na rin ang ating crabs guys. So, next, let's saute our sauce. Put the remaining butter guys. So, kung walang butter, of course, olive oil, mas masarap. Let's put the garlic. Let's put onion. Okay guys, so next, let's put our tuna in can. So, kahit anong brand guys. So, since seafood tayo, kaya nilagyan ko pa ng tuna in can. Dagdag sa ating shrimp and crabs. Lutuin lang natin konti guys ang ating tuna. And, okay na ang ating pasta. So, let's drain. And soak nyo siya guys sa running water para hindi magdikit-dikit. Next to put ay ang ating condensed milk. So 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Maglalagay ako guys kasi gusto ni Vince ng sweet sa pasta. Okay? So lalo na sa mga kids, gusto din nila ng matamis-tamis. Kaya you can put sugar or condensed milk. And then let's put 1/4 pack of Nestle Cream. And then, of course, maglalagay din tayo ng 1/4 bar ng cream cheese. I always love cream cheese, guys. Pagka nagpapasta ako, red sauce or white sauce, I always put cream cheese. Kasi nakakadagdag creamy at sarap. Ayan. Of course, lagyan natin ng pampalasa. Pinch of pepper. Pinch of salt. And then, let's put some water para medyo may sauce siya, okay? And then, magdadagdag din ako guys ng dried rosemary. Pampasarap din tong rosemary, guys. Okay? So, let's boil for siguro 2 to 3 minutes. And then, all done, guys. Okay na ang ating sauce. So, okay na ang ating sauce, guys. Tinikman ko na rin siya kanina and okay na ang lasa. So, let's put or add our hipon. Niluto natin hipon kanina. Then, meron din akong roasted peanut, guys. Yan, maglalagay ako. And then, of course, meron tayong cheddar cheese. Grated cheddar cheese. And, of course, ang ating fresh basil leaves. Freshly picked, guys, sa aming tiny garden. Yan. So, maganda rin, guys, na magtanim tayo ng mga herbs na malaking tulong, guys, sa ating pagluluto. Lalo na hilig kong magluto. Kaya, sabi ko kay Beans, magtanim siya ng basil. Okay. Yan. Yummy. Let's garnish with hipon, yung natirang hipon natin. And of course, guys, ang ating crabs. And lagyan ulit natin ng dinikdik na mani. And last one, of course, ang ating fresh basil. Okay, all done, guys. But, there's more. Ano kaya yun? Guess what? Of course, ang ating Parmesan cheese. Here's our finished product, ang ating Seafood CARBONARA. Joyce version. Ayan. Okay, guys, of course, here's our finished product, ang ating Seafood CARBONARA. Okay? Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating tasting time. Okay, so let's taste. So creamy. Yung pasta, guys, hindi siya overcook. Masarap natin. Masarap. And ang una kong natikman, guys, is medyo matamis-tamis siya dahil sa nilagay nating condensed milk. Perfect for kids. And of course, yung sauce natin na nilagyan natin ng iba't ibang ingredients. Like, ang ano dito unique is the toasted peanut na nilagay natin. Ang sarap, so creamy. Sarap talaga. Isa pa. So, sana po matry nyo ang version ko po ng Seafood CARBONARA. Sweet siya, guys, for kids, okay? And yun nga, sabi ko, gusto rin kasi ni Vince ng sweet na pasta, okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye for now. I love you all. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Bye for now. I love you all, guys.